Hi guys, in this video we will see how to disable note containers on your OneNote app. If you want to disable note containers, then here are the process. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Click on open. OneNote app is now open. Here we will see how to disable note containers. Here click on file from the top menu bar and choose more, and here choose options. Thereafter from the left side choose display. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option show note containers on pages. Uncheck this feature and click on OK from the bottom right corner, and you can see note containers will disable. So you can easily disable note containers in OneNote app on your Windows 11 system. Same process, if you want to enable, then go to same place, go to display and make the check against option show note containers on pages. Click on OK and you can see note containers will now visible here. That's all.